We have whale watched in Alaska 4 times on different sizes ships and at different locations. We've had amazing experiences every time. In this video, we're going to unveil the secrets of having a terrific excursion. Hi y'all, I'm Jeff.
And I'm Becky.
And together we're cruising good time.
We have been to Alaska 4 times, and every time we've had amazing experiences watching whales. So in this video, we're going to give you our pro tips and tricks on how to see them. So the first pro tip is take an excursion. Yep. You'll be able to see whales from the ship, but they'll be at a distance and they're going to be far away. When you get on the shore excursion, they're going to take you very close to the whales. You'll be able to see them. It's going to be a fabulous experience.
The next thing to take into account is the location. And we feel like Icy Strait Point is the best location to go see whales on an Alaskan cruise. Juneau is a very near second. They're both very close to each other. Both locations, you'll be able to see the humpback whales, maybe some orcas, maybe some Dell's porpoise, and probably almost certainly some sea lions out there.
The next important thing is timing. And I plan my Alaska cruise based on the timing of when I think I'll see whales and other wildlife. And in April and May, the whales are still migrating from Mexico and Hawaii. So there are less whales actually in Alaska. And some shore excursions won't guarantee that you'll be able to see a whale. And once again, talking about the shore excursions, if you book a shore excursion, they talk to each other, they know where they are. So even when there's less whales, you still have a pretty good chance of seeing them. This year, we went the last week of April, and we had a great day. We saw 4 humpback whales. We saw 8 orcas. However, before that time, they were lucky to see 1 whale. So I definitely wouldn't go any earlier in the year than when we took our trip.
And that leads us into the next key pro tip, which is what whale watching company to use. And you can go through the ship or you can go independent on it. We've done it both ways. If you use a ship, they're going to be a reputable provider. If you go independent, make sure that they talk to all the other operators out there, because most of the time these guys are on the radio. They know where the whales are. They're all working for tips, so they'll all work together to find you some whales on that. And another thing we kind of look for sometimes is if they'll use an underwater microphone so you can hear some of the whale song. That's pretty cool when they put that microphone in the water. You can hear the whale song underneath there. I find that really quite enjoyable. Look at the type of boats. There you can be on a very small boat where it's very close to the naturalist and you can ask a lot of questions. You're really low to the water. And you can be on some bigger boats as well where they have like a second floor. You can get up on that deck, see further out, see some whales that way. Most cruise companies will offer either one of those nowadays, and you have to pay a little more for a small boat than you would for a larger boat. But either way, you're going to have a good time. Just do what you feel like is best for you.
And if you're going to use a local company, like sometimes I've found the ones I'm going to use by watching YouTube videos. So I've seen people's videos. They're having a great time. In fact, we found a great company there at Icy Strait Point. It was a family-owned business. We loved the ship. They were super nice. And we just saw what a wonderful experience others saw on theirs. We're going to give a link to that company down in the comments below.
They were Glacier Wind Charters and a very good company to use there in Icy Strait Point.
And the last time in Juneau, we went ahead and did a private company there. It was a little less expensive. It was a fabulous boat. However, I think they use a lot of different ones, but we got their newest and best and greatest, and I really did enjoy it. We're going to leave a link down to them in the comments below as well.
And the name of that company was Alaska Shore Tours, and they'll hook you up with some good whale watching there in Juneau. Another key tip to keep in mind is what equipment to take with you. And at the top of that list would be binoculars, because you should always take a pair of binoculars to Alaska. There's so much wildlife, so have your binoculars out there on the whale watching trip with you, and take your camera for those memories too, because you'll want to look at that whale watching video when you get back home. Take some rain gear and dress in layers. You're going to be out on open water. It's going to be a little more chilly out on open water, and you will probably get in some rain being in Alaska in the summertime. So be prepared with layers, rain gear, and all your optics and cameras so you can be able to have a great time.
So another thing to consider if you're doing your whale watching tour in Juneau is you can get a combination tour where you go to Mendenhall Glacier. Now, we love going there. That's the only other thing that we've also done all 4 trips to Alaska. So we recommend it. However, a lot of the whale watching tours will give you less than an hour in Mendenhall Glacier, and that's not enough time if you want to hike to Nugget Falls, which we recommend. So the tour we took last time, we were happy. It was 90 minutes at the park, so you had plenty of time to hike around and see things.
Yeah, we deliberately picked that one so we get the whale watching first, and we went to Mendenhall and had enough time to go down to Nugget Falls and enjoy that, and that's a fun hike too.
We've been on over 30 cruises, and we've been to Alaska 4 times. We have a lot of playlists out there, including one for Alaska, so please check out our channel. We hope you've enjoyed this video.
If you liked the video, please give us a like and subscribe and turn on those notifications. It really helps us out.
Until next time, have a cruising good time.